In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize job searches on Glassdoor, Tracking System 2026. Start by heading to glassdoor.com. Once you're there, sign into your account. Keep this quick. Log in, and while you're at it, make sure your profile details are up to date. Resume, target titles, and location, so the platform can surface better matches. Navigate to the Jobs section. This is where you'll optimize your search instead of scrolling endlessly. Use the search bar for your target title, then refine with filters. Under More, narrow by company rating, company size, industry, and remote or on-site options. These filters cut noise and bring higher quality roles to the top. As you browse, use the ribbon icon to save anything that looks promising. Don't overanalyze on the spot. Saving first lets you compare roles side by side later. Focus on listings with the Easy Apply label when you want speed. These can be completed in minutes and are automatically tracked on your profile. Next, centralize everything in one place. Click your profile icon in the top right and open Job Activity. Think of this as your Glassdoor command center. You'll see Save Jobs, which are the roles you marked with the ribbon for later review. You'll also see Applied Jobs for the positions you submitted through Easy Apply. And you'll find your Job Alerts, which are the automated searches Glassdoor runs for you. Set up targeted job alerts for your core titles, locations, and must-have keywords. Name each alert clearly so you recognize it in your inbox, and choose a frequency that fits your pace. You can create multiple alerts for variations of the same role to make sure you don't miss niche opportunities. A few best practices to keep things organized. Save first, compare later, lean on Easy Apply for quick, trackable submissions. And let filters do the heavy lifting so you spend time on fit, not volume. There are a couple of limitations to keep in mind. If a job redirects you to an external company site to apply, Glassdoor can't track that application's status. If you use both Indeed and Glassdoor with a synced profile, you may see some cross-platform consistency. But it's still wise to maintain your own records for anything that isn't Easy Apply. To fill that gap, pair Glassdoor with a simple spreadsheet or a job tracking tool like Teal. Log the company name and contact, the date you applied, your current status, waiting, interview, or rejected, and any notes from your Glassdoor research. Build a weekly routine. Review job activity, move any Easy Apply roles into applied status, and adjust alerts or filters based on what's working. With this system, your job search stays focused, transparent, and repeatable,